Hi everyone, Mrs. Fitz is back here for some more writing. Now, today what I want you to do is I want you to think of a setting or a place in your home or in your classroom or in your school that you can write about. This is going to be a factual writing piece. It is going to be nonfiction because you are going to look around. You're going to write about some things that are in the setting that you choose. Now, the setting that I chose here, I will turn you closer, would be my backyard. And I want to tell you about my backyard and what you would see in my backyard if you were to go in the backyard to play. Now, just looking at my picture and my labels, you can see that in my yard, I have a picnic table with an umbrella, and I have some trees in my yard and some flowers in my yard. My yard is actually pretty spacious, which means it's pretty big. And when I look into my yard, I do see a lot of grass, flowers, trees, and an area where I have my picnic table and my grill. But I did run out of some space to put my grill in the picture, and we do have a big box then with some balls and jump ropes and things like that for my children. Now, my writing. I want to tell you now with my words in a factual or nonfiction writing piece about my yard. And these are facts because if you went in my yard, this is what you would see. All right, go ahead and read with me, please. My yard is big. My yard has a picnic table. It has trees. It has flowers. Now I'm going to turn this way, and you can see I did my checklist because I got this written before I started my video because I wanted to share you my nonfiction piece that I wrote. Let's see how I did. I labeled my picture. I made finger spaces. I hope you noticed that as I read and you read because it makes us reading a story easier when you have those spaces. I can start with a capital letter. I can capitalize the word I. I don't think I used I. I used it, but I put a check mark there. But I don't think my writing piece doesn't have I in it. I can stretch out the words. I can spell the word well words. Those would be my sight words. I can use lowercase letters. I can end with a period, cap, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. And I did that with my periods. All right, now I want you now to think of a place that you can write about. You can write about something in your home or something at your school. And I want you to start by drawing that place. And then once you are done drawing it, I want you to tell me about it. I want you to tell me some facts about that place you chose. Okay, everybody? Bye, and get writing.